For the theoretical knowledge, you have to go for things like Khan Academy and their, I should not say their name. I can assure you that if you follow this method religiously, you are going to get a job no matter what the time is, what the situation is. So, how to get a job in 6 months? Now in the days of recession, many people are afraid how they are going to get a job, where people are already getting fired from their existing jobs. And on the top of that, this ML thing is going crazy. Don't you worry, but I am here. I'm going to teach you some methods. From that, you are going to get a job 100% convictionally. And I can assure you that if you follow this method religiously, you are going to get a job no matter what the time is, what the situation is. So now the question arises, who am I to speak about it? Having cracked the GATE exam 2023 in CSE and grabbed 2 MNCs companies, I can surely put some light into it. So first of all, here I am going to talk about IT jobs. IT jobs by nature is very versatile. Even UPSC aspirants are, after their preparation, they are coming into these things. Because of IT's versatile nature, no matter what your background is, be it BCA, BA, BCom, BSc, BTech, obviously BTech, and no matter what the thing is, if you have done any graduation, BA, honors, commerce, etc., science, anything, if you have done your graduation journey, you are eligible to get a job in IT. And in some cases, your skills can also be your graduation, your degrees. Means some cases you don't even need a degree to get an IT job. And know one thing, in this technological advancement area, if you do not know about this IT thing, you are surely gonna miss out hell a lot. You will not be fit for the market in this upcoming area. So be sure to know about it, right? Even creativity is no longer an isolated area. First of all, you need to know a little bit of data structure and programming. Data structure means the basic things of it, like stack, queue, linked list. What are the things, why they are used, what is the basic fundamentals of them, what is the architecture, just the basic things. You don't have to need many big implements of it, just the basic things. And if you know a bit of algorithm, it will enhance. For the algorithm part, as a beginner, you can just do the theoretical things. If you can go for practical things, it is very good for you. And the second thing is you have to know, as I mentioned earlier, you have to know a little bit of algorithm, like the basic things like time complexity, code optimization. If you are writing a code, so why it is better than any other code out there? So this thing, just the basics. What is the time complexity? There's these things. And last but surely not the least, I would say the most important thing is you have to learn a programming language and have to be decent good in it. Just like a human language, it helps us how we can actually interact with other people. How we can express our thoughts, our feelings. And just like that, if you learn a programming language, it helps you to interact better with the system, with the computers. Any ops language will be preferable over an pop language. You can start with any language like C, Java, Python, whatever you prefer. But personally, if you ask me, I will say you learn with Java. It is not the easiest language, but definitely if you are going to advance in this area, this is one thing you have to know very clearly. Python is good, Python is out there, it is a very simple mode to English language, but somewhere it lacks the architectural things of how the things is actually working behind the code. And if you are learning Java, you will know the insights of a code, how the code is working and how the system actually integrates with what you are writing, these things. The fundamentals will be better if you learn Java. C is also there, but C is a POPs language. For that you can go for C++. But Java is one thing that for its nature, it will allow you to experience a lot more things, and it is so versatile that it is basically platform independent, so you can go for it. Now the question is here, you have said the why part, why you need to learn these things. The what part, what you need to learn this. Now comes the how part, how you are gonna do it. So personally, I think that the practical languages, the practical things are pretty much out there. You can follow this code with Harry and Apni Kaksha and this kind of things. But the actual theoretical knowledge is missing out there. For the theoretical knowledge, you have to go for things like Khan Academy and their, I should not say their name. For the theoretical knowledge, you have to go for any subscription method, or anything like that. Education by nature is a charity, and at least the basic should be accessible to all. And you can make money to the advanced section of it, but the basic should be accessible, or how people will get interested in this. And I am thinking of making a playlist about these things, and if you are up for it, please give a like and share your thoughts in the comment down below. Have a great time. Adios.